Good afternoon, sir.
Wait, all of you, wait. Listen to me.
Okay,
Okay, sir, you can continue.
Okay, right. See. Here we are multiplying this number by series of 3 ones, right?
Yes,
sir. So actually,
Start. We take
class
first 1 digit,
going on.
later 2 digits, later 3 digits. Okay, 3 digits from the beginning only. Up to
So
reaching.
how can I speak, sir?
Sorry.
Oh, sir, actually, I was absent last class, sir. Last 2 classes, I was absent. You can tell what
Okay, no
happened.
issue. Okay, no issue. You can
Sir,
understand.
can I tell that?
Wait, Amma. Srishti, wait. All of you wait. Let me explain this question.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Take the first digit as it is 1. Kunal, see here. Okay. Next, again, first and second digits. 1 plus 2 is 3. Again, first, second, third digits.
Sir, 4.
1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. Okay. With this, we reached 3 digits, right? Because it is 3 ones, we have reached 3 digits. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now take off 1, cancel 1. Next 3 digits are 2 plus 1 plus 3.
Sir, 6.
Sir, answer is 6, sir.
Take out 2, 1 plus 3 plus 1.
And plus 5. Sir, 5.
Take out 3, sorry, 1, 3 plus 1 plus 4.
3 plus 1 plus 4. Sir, 20.
8. 8.
8.
Take out 3, 1 plus 4 plus 1.
And plus 4 plus 1. Sir, answer is 6, sir.
6.
Remove 1, 4 plus 1 plus 2.
7. 7.
7.
7.
Cancel 4, 1 plus 2 plus 4.
Sir, 7. Sir, answer is 7.
2 plus 4 plus 2.
8,
2
sir.
plus 1 plus 2. 8.
4 plus 2 plus 3
4 plus 2 plus 3.
9.
Sir, 9.
is 9. 2
Sir,
plus 1
answer is
plus 3,
6, sir. 6, sir.
Sir, 6.
6. Now,
Yes,
now
sir.
3 digits are over and we come to end. But then we have to take it 3 digits, then 2 digits, then 1 digit, right? So cancelling 2, 3 plus 2, sorry, 3 plus 1 is
4.
Sir, 4.
4. At the end, we have to take again 1 as it is. That's
Yes.
it.
Sir, that's all. That is all the answer.
Yeah, that's all. That's the answer.
Sir, can you give some, sir? I understood this sum.
Sir, can we give the names?
Sir,
No,
today,
no.
I think we are going to learn about 1111.
400.
digits.
4 11s. Sorry, 4 ones.
1 minute, sir.
Sir, can I tell of this?
Sir, 4 plus 5.
Wait. All of you wait.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I say this answer?
Wait, Kunal. Okay. If there is any carry, because there is no carry in the above question, it seems very easy, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, if it's
Yes,
carry,
sir.
we need to do before number plus 1.
Yes, that's all. If the next combination is getting a carry, means in the present combination we have to increase 1.
Okay, sir.
First is 4.
4.
Okay,
Sir,
we'll
4
write
plus
as
5.
it is with carries.
9, sir.
4
Yes,
plus
sir.
5
Sir,
is 9.
9.
4 plus
And-
5 plus 2 is 11. 11 means 1.
Sir, so one carry
1,
out
sir.
1.
So,
Now cancel 1. Sorry, cancel 4. 5, 2, 3.
5 to 3, sir. Sir, 5 plus 2
10.
is 10, sir.
2,
10.
3,
Sir,
6.
236 is
2, 3, 6, sir.
11,
Sir,
11.
answer, sir,
11.
1, 0, 1, sir. 11.
3, 6,
And-
7.
Sir, 367 is
16.
16.
1 here,
16,
6
sir.
here.
Sir, we
Yes,
can
sir.
cut 3674 is 17, sir.
6, 7, 4.
Sorry.
17.
17.
Yes, sir.
17. 1
One, sir.
here, 7 there.
7, 4, 1.
741 is
741. Sir, 741 is
12, sir.
answer is
12, sir.
12.
1, 2.
12.
1, 2, sir.
Sir,
4,
we
1,
can cut
6.
7. 416 is 11, sir. 1 and 1.
1.
So we can cut 4. And
165.
165 is 12, sir. 12.
12.
1, 2.
6,
Then
5,
we
9.
can cut 1. 6, 5, 1, 9.
6, 5, 9. Sir,
18, sir.
answer is
Sir, no, 18, sir. 20.
20. 5, 9, 8.
Sir, 598 is
sir, answer is sir, 14, sir.
22, sir.
Sir,
22,
14.
sir. No, 22.
22.
Ma'am, we can cut out
980.
Sir, it will be
0. Sir, 980. Sir, 17. Sir, 17.
805.
805.
13, sir.
8 plus 5 is
13.
13.
13.
0, 5.
13, sir. 05 is 5, sir.
Five.
Sir,
At
now
the
we
end
should
again.
write.
Five.
Yes, sir. 5. Sir, now
Sir,
we
the
should do
answer
add.
will be
Yes, sir.
five.
Four,
Yes, 5 0.
Sir, 5,
One.
5, 5, 0, 2, 1, 2, 7,
7, 8,
3.
9,
Sir, your
7, 8, 3, 5, 5.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this much bigger calculation also we have done in less than 1 minute, I think.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can use this for any formula, right? So only for 1, 1, 1.
Series of ones, because it's a three ones here. We are from the beginning we are taking up to three digits.
Sir, there will be
Yes.
4, sir. Then there will be 4.
If there are 4
Sir,
ones,
can we give the names?
no names here because there is no exercise here. I'm leaving this question for you only. Okay, later you can do.
So is that
Let's
the
see
homework?
this question now. Okay,
Sir,
how
I
many
can
ones
tell
are
this.
there?
Sir, 1 we should write as this. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 is
Just wait.
7, sir.
All of you, wait.
1 plus 2 is 3. 1.
Sir, as we did 3 there, we should do here 4, sir.
Sir, like
Okay,
1
okay.
plus
All of
1.
you, wait. Yeah, as there are 4 ones, we have to take 4 digits from the beginning only. From the beginning only up to 4 digits. So first is 1 as it is. 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 is 5. Sorry, 7, right? 7. So we have reached 4 digits. Now take off 1, next 4 digits. Take off 2, next 4 digits. In that way. 2, 1, 3, 1. 2, 1, 3, 1 is again 7. Cancel 1. Yeah. I'm unmuting. Don't speak all the persons at a time. Yeah. Somebody raised a hand. Any doubt?
No, sir. I
Okay.
want to answer.
Okay. Wait. Wait. Yeah. 2, 1, 3, 1 is over now. 1, 3, 1, 0. 1, 3, 1, 0 is 5. 3, 1, 0, 1 is again 5.
5.
1, 0, 1, 5 is 7.
7.
0, 1, 5, 1 is again 7. 1, 5, 1, 2. 1, 5, 1, 2 is 9. 5, 1, 2, 1 is again 9. 1, 2, 1, 2 is 6. 2, 1, 2, 1 is again 6. 1, 2, 1, 3 is 7. 2, 1, 3, 0 is 6.
6.
1, 3, 0, 1 is 5.
5.
3, 0, 1, 0 is 4. 0, 1, 0, 2 is 3.
3.
1, 0, 2, 1 is 4.
4.
0, 2, 1, 0 is 3.
3.
2, 1, 0, 6. 2, 1, 0, 6 is 9. Yeah, we reached at the end. Now from there, 3 digits, 2 digits, then 1 digit.
Yes, sir.
Cancel
106 is then 7, sir.
0, 6 is
6 is
7.
6, sir.
6.
And again we should
0
write
plus 6
any
is.
numbers, sir.
So we'll write.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the answer is 1, 3, 4, 7, 7.
Sir, 5,
Yeah,
7,
we cannot
9,
read this number.
6, 5, 4, 3, 4.
Sir,
Yes.
now we can do, sir.
Now, not now.
Problem.
Sorry,
Uh,
what Toshnika?
So can you please explain one more problem of the same kind with 4 ones?
Why? Any doubt in this?
it's
Not
easy,
doubt,
sir.
but it's kind of complicated. So if you can explain.
Suppose, see, just see. These are not numbers. These are just digits. This is the first digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit, fifth digit. So take the first digit as it is. Then first and second as it is. Means adding. First, second, third. And first, second, third, fourth. Up to reaching 4 digits from the beginning only. After reaching 4 digits, now cancel first digit, next 4 digits. Now cancel the second digit, next 4 digits. Cancel third digit, next 3 digits, next 2 digits, next 1 digit only. In that way.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Because it is a series of 4 ones. That's why. So what if it is 5 ones means from the beginning we have to reach up to 5. Later we have to decrease to 1 again. Okay. You can do you can do this question later. Okay.
Sir, if the number is
Can I speak?
Sorry.
Kunal.
Yeah, Kunal. tell me.
Sir, may I do?
Sir, if you get to like
All of you can do this later.
2,
Okay.
2, 4, 4.
Sir, can
I'll
we
send
do
PDF. I'll
this?
send PDF. Wait. Kunal, tell me.
Sir, if we are writing an exam and we are getting like a 2, 2, 5, 5, can we solve like that?
2, 2, 5, 5. It will not comes under this category.
yeah, it will when you add it
Okay. We are seeing.
Sir,
We are see,
sir, doubt.
yeah. Tell me.
Sir, example it will be 2, 5, 6 into 11, 11, 11.
No, sir. 2, 2, 2,
2, 5, 6 into 11, 11,
like
11.
that. To get
This one.
Yeah.
in this play, in this
We
way.
should just like
Wait.
add 0.
All of you. Yes. Adding 0. How many zeros we need to add?
Sir, 3.
3 zeros. After adding 3 zeros, then we can use the same process. See. First 0 as it is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. And 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. Means 0 plus 2. Overall it is 2. So from here our solution started. Next 0, 0, 0, 2, 5 is 7. 0, 0, 0, 2, 5, 6 is how much? 13. 1 here, 3 here. So we have reached 6 digits. Now cancel first digit, next 6 digits. It is again 13. Cancel 0, next 5 digits are over. Now 4 digits is again 13. Cancel 0, next 3 digits again 13. Cancel 2, next 2 digits 11. Cancel 5, last 1 digit. Sorry. Yeah, cancel 5, last digit is 6. That's all.
Sir,
So
the
here the
answer
answer is
will be like
8.
2, 8, 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, 6.
416. That's all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Let us see this type also.
2, 3, 4.
Ritwik,
Sir, 2, sir, 2.
Why Ritvik? What? Why you are giving names?
dear
Sir,
Ritwik,
Why you are giving names? There is no exercise.
Sir, no, just explaining. Sorry, just no explaining.
they both will not come. They
Wait, all of you.
Sir,
Don't
we
speak
did
unnecessary.
Sir, explain that one, sir. 2 and 4.
Sir, we didn't
Kunal, you may tell or you may not tell. I will explain. Just wait. Okay.
Okay.
Shuprano, what is your problem?
No, sir.
Nothing?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. So don't speak unnecessarily. See, how to do this question?
I don't know, sir.
I don't know. Anyone have an idea?
Sir, double a number? Sir, we should add 2, sir, after. Sir, I know.
Tell me, Sudisha. How to do this?
2 numbers which should be multiplied by 2.
3 into 2 is 6, but our answer will be come as 5, 1, 4, 8.
Yeah, see, can I write this question like this? 2, 3, 4 into 11 into 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Oh, yes,
Is
sir.
it easy?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now tell the answer. 2
Oh, okay, sir.
plus 3, 5.
Sir, 2 plus
3 plus
3,
5,
5.
7.
3 plus 5,
And again?
7, 4. So, 2, 5, 7.
Now double this number.
Yes, sir. It's coming.
Okay.
I said
2 double is 4, but the next place carry. That's why I'm writing 5. 5 double end number is 0. 5 plus 5 end number is 0, but the next place carry. That's why 1.
1.
7 plus 7 end number 4, but the next place no carry. That's why 4 only. So 4 double is 8.
Correct.
Sir,
Sir, I didn't understood, sir. Can you tell once again?
so for the second step, I have a doubt, sir. Can I ask?
right.
Yeah, tell.
Sir, while you're multiplying with 2, whoever knows multiplication.
Nothing. Okay. I got your doubt. See, nothing. I'm doing this one. 2, 5, 7, 4. Instead of multiplying by 2, I'm adding the same number 2, 5, 7, 4 again.
Yes, sir. So multiplying is much easier, right, sir?
No. Instead of multiplying, this is easy. See, 2 plus 2 is 4. Next place carry. That's why 5. 5, 5, 0. End number 0. Next place carry 1. 7, 7, end number 4 as it is 4 plus 4, 8. That's all.
It will get easy. Then multiplication.
Yes, sir.
But sir, if it's like
Okay,
56.
whatever you feel comfortable, you can follow that.
Yeah,
No
sir,
issue.
thank
Yeah,
you.
for me this one is comfortable, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
so if it's 234 into 110.
110 means 110. Okay. 2, 3, 4 into 11. And then put a 0 at the end. So 2, 3, 4 into 11 is how much? 2, 5, 7, 4, right? Now
Yes.
putting a 0 will give the answer. That's all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
110 we can write in this way, right?
Yes, sir. 11 into 10.
First multiply by 11, then put a 0 at the end. Let us do this also.
Sir, can I give the
First we'll do multiplication by 11. Later we'll double the number.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
can I?
Sir, first number you should keep as is,
2,
and 2 plus 5 is 7, and 5 plus 4 is 9, and 4
9.
plus 1 is 5, and 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10. So it is a carry. So you can.
No. 3 plus 6, 9
Oh,
only.
sorry, sir.
9.
So 9, sir. 6 plus 2 is 8, and 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 8
9.
is 9. So 8 plus 2 is
10.
so 0 and 1. Sir. And 7.
2 plus 7 is 9.
2 plus 7 is 9 and 7.
After
Again,
balancing,
Sir.
yeah,
Seven,
what
sir,
will be this
last
number?
number.
Yeah, last number as it is. Okay.
Yes, sir. You got it.
Yeah,
That's why it
2,
will be
7, 9, 5,
4.
4, 9, 8.
0, 0, 9,
Yes,
7,
sir.
right?
It is a carry. So
Now
yeah.
double this number. Doubling is
so-
easy if you consider in this way only.
Yes,
So
sir.
2 plus
Double.
2 is 4, but the next place carry. That's why 5.
Sir, you can tell double only, no, sir. You
Sir,
want
Manoj here. Good evening.
Sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
One student is
evening, sir.
under waiting actually. Please approve the request so that she can be able to join.
Where, sir? In WhatsApp?
Wise app, yes.
Okay. Wait, sir. Just.
Yes, sir.
Mobile.
without you.
Sir, done, sir.
Sir, I think sir went off.
Okay. Some new student is there in WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, I think she's Dhanya Sri.
Sir, done it, I think.
Yes.
Sir, let's start, sir.
Continue.
Welcome, Dhanya Sri.
She did not.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, did you write anything?
Sorry.
She didn't write anything.
Sir, that
Did not write anything. We're just practicing. Sir, from somewhere sound is coming, sir.
correct.
Yes.
Sir, I got the answer into 2.
Okay, right. Let me explain. I'm just doubling this number, adding digit by digit only. 2 plus 2 is actually 4, but the next place carry, that's why 5. 7 plus 7 end number is 4, but the next place is carry, that's why 5.
5.
9 plus 9 end number is 8, but the next place carry, that's why 9. 5 plus 5 end number 0, next place no carry, that's why 0. 4 plus 4 actually 8, but the next place carry 9. 9 end number 8, but the next place carry, that's why 9.
9.
See 8 end number 6, next place no carry, 6 only.
7.
4 plus 4 is 8, 0, 0. No, here it is not 0, right? Because
Yes,
actually
sir.
0,
I
but the next place carry, that's why 1.
Sir, how we can write one, sir?
Carry combination.
See, 0 A 0 is 0 only. But
Okay, okay.
because the
Next
next
number is
place is
carry,
carry,
okay.
that's why 1. Increase by 1. 9 plus 9 end number 8. But the next place carry, that's why 9. 7 plus 7 end number 4. That's okay.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Sir,
Right. Yeah, yeah.
so it will be,
Tell me, it will be.
sir, 80194, it will be like, sir, it's different from my answer, sir. So the answer should be 559099678194.
6, 7. How you got 7? 4 plus 4 is 8, right?
Sir,
4
six,
double is
Yes,
8.
sir. We have 7, sir. No,
it's
sir. No,
6,
sir.
7.
No,
Sir,
sir. No,
type
sir.
only wrote, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Correct, sir.
Yeah, it is correct only.
Sir, when will come sums?
Sir, should I check again my answer?
Yeah, you can check. Okay, till the series is up to 8, so the process is same. Okay, till 8 series, the process is same. So keep separate ones, then separate the number, and do the shortcut. Use the shortcut for this series of ones multiplication. Later multiply with that number. Okay. But as of now, we have not covered this type of questions. What type of questions is any number into a single digit? Any number into a single digit. This one we'll see in the next week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Right.
now we
Yeah.
are doing exercises
sir.
or you are going to ask one.
We'll see one more series. 9 series. Okay.
The 9.
Okay, sir.
The 9?
Yeah.
Sir, means this is done.
Yeah, this is done means what I'm telling is series of ones is okay.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. If it is series of twos, simply convert it into series of ones and double the number.
Yeah, sir.
If it is series of threes, convert it into series of ones and triple the given number, 3 times the given number. So the process is same till the 8. Till 8 process is same. 111 into 8. Okay.
Sir, why not 9?
9 will be very easy. That's why I'm saying
Sir, for 8 we
I
can
was
double it
separated.
3 times.
9
Sir,
is
for
very
8 we
easy.
can double it 3 times, right? Sir, for 8 we can double it 3 times, right?
Yes, yes. And for 7, we have not covered that type of right. After covering that, we'll do some more exercises with this type. Okay. Any number after covering any number into a single digit. Any number into a single digit, 1-digit number. Later we'll see the remaining 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.
Sir, what
we'll
is
see
meaning of Ekadeyuna?
Sorry.
Sir, what is meaning of Ekadeyuna?
Ekan Yunena Purvena.
Less than the one before.
Yeah, in the previous class we have covered this one, right? Ekadikena Purvena.
Sir,
Yes.
what
Ekadina Purvena.
Ekadikena. Ekadikena.
by
Eka
one
means
was
one,
one,
right?
one before.
Wait,
Yes, sir.
all of you, keep in mute condition. Eka means one. Adhika means more. Okay. Eka adhikena Purvena. Purvena means previous one.
So all this is Sanskrit, right?
Yes, Sanskrit word it is. Eka adhikena Purvena means one more than the one before. But here Ekan Nyunena ante Ekan
One
Nyunena
less
means
than one before.
one is lesser. So by one less than the one before. By one less than the one before. Yes. Yes.
Sir, how can be one less than the one before, sir?
Yeah, sir. I also did not understand.
One
I
less
see.
than the one before. If I give any number, you can tell the before number, right? 7. What is the number 1 before 7?
6.
Sir, 6.
6. That's all. If it is 108, what is the number 1 before that number? 107, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this series of 9s is an application for this sutra. Okay. Clear? As of now?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I'm categorizing this 9 series into three parts. See, number of digits in the given number, and these are number of 9s. Number of digits, equal to number of nines. Number of digits equal to number of nines. First case. Second case, number of digits less than number of nines. Okay. And third case is, you can tell, you can expect. Number of digits are more than, yeah, more than number of nines.
Nines.
Give an example for first case. Can I say, is
Sir,
it
can I tell
876 into 999, right?
Yes, sir.
Here the number of digits are 1.
Sir, can I tell another one?
1, 2, 3. Yes or no? Here the number of nines are 1, 2, 3. 3 digits and 3 nines.
Sir,
Here the
actually,
number of
I
digits are less than number of nines.
rejoin.
7, 5.
Like 54 into 99999. Okay.
Sir, you can
Here
add
the number
zero.
of
Can
digits
I
are.
tell one? Can I tell one for the third one?
Yeah, you can tell, but don't interrupt me. Here the number of digits are 2 only, but the number of nines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or no? Number of digits are less than number of nines or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
The
third
number
case
of
given
digits means 1744 into 999. That's it.
1700 okay, 10,000 it is okay. 744,
Sorry, sir.
774, okay. And
Yes,
it is 999. But here the number of digits are
The number of digits are 5, sir. But,
5, but the number of nines are
3.
3. So it comes under this category. So these are the 3 categories when it comes to 9 series. Okay. In these 3 also, first and second are very easy. Just by seeing the question, we can tell the answer. But the third, we have to use pen. Sometimes without pen also we can get. Sometimes we have to use pen. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's see first one, first case. One example, see. As we have taken here, 876 into 999. 876 into 999. All of you, listen to me carefully. What is the one number less than this number?
Sir, 8 is less than 7.
Sir,
No, no, no. 876. So one number less is 875. 875, right?
Sir, the 865.
equal.
Sorry?
Both
Sir,
are
how
equal.
87?
Yeah, equal case I am explaining. First case I am explaining. Listen carefully.
I have a doubt, sir. Why you reduce only first number? Sorry, last
First
number.
number.
Last number.
No. I have asked one question like 876 before number is.
Okay, 875. Okay.
876 before number is
I
875.
think that digits, I think so. Okay.
Okay, now don't consider the digits. Consider total as a one number. Okay. Now coming to the digits, see 9 minus 8 is how much?
9 minus 8 is 1, sir.
1. 9 minus 7 is how much?
Sir, 2, sir.
2. 9 minus 5 is how much?
4, sir.
That's all. This is the answer.
Okay, yes, sir.
Okay. Understood, all of you?
Okay, sir. Add, sir.
Very easy.
Okay,
Whoever
sir.
understood, okay. Whoever having doubt, they can ask. Where is your?
I didn't understand.
Tell me to raise hand.
Okay. Okay, I'm explaining another question. Listen carefully. Some 277 into 999. Okay. One number less than 277 is 276.
276.
Got it, Shoprano?
Yes,
One
sir.
number less than 277 is 276.
Yes, sir.
Simply subtract it digit by digit from 9. 9 minus 2 is how much?
So 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7.
7. 9 minus 7 is how much?
2. Sir,
2.
2.
9 minus 6 is how much?
3. Sir, 3.
That's all. That's the answer.
Sir, why we are doing with 9 only?
It is 9. With
Because
9.
this is
Multiplication with 9 only, no?
Okay, this is the shortcut for this question. For this type of questions.
Sir, if it's 2 minus 2, then we can write 0.
Sorry?
So if the question is like 278 into 222, then we can do like 2 minus 2.
No. This is the series of nines only shortcut. That's why I have separated all the remaining, right? I think you forgot this. Okay, here only. Yeah, you don't forget this table, this box. Okay, if it is twos, this is the processor. That's why I have separated 9 series. I already mentioned. Yes or no?
You told 9 series is different from
Yeah,
all.
up to 8 series, this is the process. But for 9 series, this is the shortcut method. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All of you understood this method?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then let's start any exercises.
I'm seeing for that only. Okay, you can give names. All of you can give names. There are 10 questions. I should get 10 messages only. Question number and your name.
Sir, but some of them are less than the nines, right, sir?
I'll tell that point.
Sir, in the chat.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'll tell that point also. And after writing the names, I'll tell that.
Sir, can you give one more example?
First, complete these questions.
Because I want
Sir,
example.
we have to
for
give
that.
No.
answers in chat.
Sir,
Who is
can we
speaking?
give to everyone?
Just
sir?
wait, all of you wait. Dhanyasri, are you speaking now?
I asked, sir.
Yeah, tell me. What is your doubt?
No, sir, you said that send some answers.
Okay.
now.
I am asking to send your question. Select your question. Which one you want to solve?
You send is new
Put
server.
the message in the chat box.
What message?
Sir,
Sir, nothing.
you guys are that's why you don't know.
Sir, Dhanyasri don't know it's him, sir, because she is new, right?
Okay, let her just see and observe us. Okay.
Okay. All of you wait. Don't speak anymore.
Sir, can you teach once again of 72 into 99?
Yeah, I'll explain. Wait. Let me write the names first. A. C. Ashwad. D. Ritvik. Which Ritvik? RR or RN?
Sir, RR.
Okay.
Rolls Royce. Sir,
Shiva
Shiva
Pranav.
Pranav E.
Okay. A. Shrishti.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, A Srushti, C
Sudisha.
C. Sudisha. C. Already over. Sudisha. E.
E.
Satvika.
Satvika.
Satvika already over.
Sir,
I. Ritwik N.
I. RN. Okay.
C. Sudisha.
A already over. C already
A.
over. Next.
Advika.
Sir, Advika A.
Over. That is also over. G. Jaideep.
G. Jaideep.
Okay.
J. Sudisha.
J Sudisha.
Okay. J. Sudisha.
E.
Toshika.
Toshika.
E. Toshnika.
F. Advika.
F. Advika. That's all. Okay.
Sir, the number of digits of 9. Sir,
Yeah. Let me explain that point also. Here only.
okay, sir. Sir, is that easy? Sir, we should give zeros.
Yeah. We should make it equal.
We should give zeros.
Yes. The second model. What is this?
Sir, anything came, sir? Registration of forward.
Okay. I'm explaining second model. See, if the number of digits are less than number of nines, then if it is 38 into
99.
99. 999. 99 means equal, right?
Sir,
999. If this is the case. Yeah,
sir,
Sudisha, tell me.
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell. What is your doubt?
If you take 38 only, but if we put more 3 nines, how can we do, sir?
Where 3 nines?
Sir, for into 999 plus 999, if we just sir, if you have nines more and the digit is less, what do we do?
That is the case only here. Here the digits are 2 only, but the nines are 3. Okay, number of digits are less than number of nines. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Simply we can make equal number of digits and number of nines. How? By placing zeros before number, not after number, before number. So if you place 1 0 here, the number of digits are 3, but the value is not changed. We are not disturbing the question, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, then how do we, sir?
Now see, 0 3 8, one number less is
Sir, 037.
3037, right? So 9 minus 0 is how much?
Sir, 9.
9. 9 minus 3?
Sir, 6.
6. 9 minus 7?
Sir, 2.
2. That's all. That's the answer.
But I
3 9
counted.
7 to 6. Sorry, 3 7 9 to 6. 9 6 2.
Sir.
Okay.
So can you give us the questions we need to solve it?
Okay. Just
So
wait.
once can
Just
you
wait.
explain solving with the same number of digits and the same number of nines?
We can
That is very simple. Okay, I'll explain again. See, I'm taking one more question here. Like fourth question. 4 6 9 8 into 9 9 9 9. Okay.
So can you
Then
please
yes,
One more 9.
number? So can you please take some 2-digit number? That will be more easy.
Sir, one more 9 you should keep, sir.
okay. I'll take 2-digit number first. Later we'll see that that question also.
Sir, 72 into 99.
72 into 99. Okay. Right. Toshnika, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
One number less than 72 is
71.
71. 9 minus 7 is
9 minus 7 is 1.
2.
2.
2.
Yeah.
9 minus 1 is
8.
that's all. That's the answer.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Do one number less than the given number and digit by digit we have to subtract from 9.
Sir, I did like 72 into 11 into 9, which is equals to like that, sir.
Yeah, it will be same, but it is easy, right?
But sir, I did with that much. Is it okay?
Is it okay? I'm not telling it is not okay. I'm telling it is also okay, but which is comfortable and which is very easy.
Sir, this is
very
easy
easy.
and that is some comfortable.
Yeah, learn all the methods. Learn all the methods, but use only comfortable methods or easy methods.
Okay.
Okay. So see this question. I'm taking one more 9, as somebody asked. Not
Sir,
only one
may-
more 9, I'm taking 2 more 9s. Okay.
Sir, may I tell, sir?
Just wait. I'm giving another way. See.
Sir, add more zeros, sir.
Sir,
See.
Sir, add more
All of you,
zeros
see
and
here.
reduce it, sir.
Just listen to me. Later you can ask your doubts. Just listen to me first. Here the number of digits are
4, sir.
4. Number of nines are
6, sir.
6.
so here without putting zeros here, one number less than 4,698 is how much?
Sir,
4,697.
4,697. How many nines are extra here?
Sir, 2, sir.
Those 2 nines you can place here. 9 9. Okay. And later 9 minus 4 is
Sir, 5.
9 minus 4 is 5, sir.
9 minus 6 is
Sir, 3.
3.
9
minus 9 is
0.
0.
0.
9 minus 7 is
Sir, 2.
that's all. That's the answer.
2.
Yes or no?
Sir,
Here
Yes,
placing
sir, why you are not doing with another 2 nines?
that is already over. That is corresponding to these 2 zeros, right?
Sir,
Oh,
Okay. Don't do that for these 2 nines also.
I understood, sir.
Leaving those 2 nines for the remaining number. See, instead of keeping 1 0 here and later removing that 0, simply how many extra nines are there? Those nines we can place here. And for
After
the
the
given number, we can do 9 minus. Okay.
Okay, sir, understood. Let's do, sir.
Sir, I did not understand this one. Can you explain again?
Okay, I'll explain again. Just see here. I'm taking one more number. Like 39 into 99999. Okay.
Yes.
39 before number?
Sir, 38.
38. How many digits are there?
Sir, 2.
2. How many nines?
Sir, 5.
How many nines are extra?
Sir, 3.
3 nines we can place here. Okay. Now 9 minus 3 is how much?
Sir, 6.
6. 9 minus 8 is how much?
Sir, 1.
That's all. That's the answer.
Yes, sir.
Leave these 3 nines.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Actual processor is making number of digits equal. So here also we are doing the same, but we are reducing that step. This corresponding to this one. This is corresponding to this one. This is corresponding to this one.
Yes, sir. Because 9 minus 0, it will be anyway 9.
Yes. Okay. Now you can solve your questions.
Sir, completed, sir. Completed, sir.
Or not completed.
Done.
There is a question remaining H.
Sir, can I take that?
Sir, can I take it, Mahavir? Sir, can I take it, Mahavir? Sir, Mahavir,
Wait.
sir.
Sir, Mahavir.
Sir, we should keep in chat.
Okay, Dhanisri. Dhanisri already asked me in the personal basis. Just wait. Let Dhanisri speak. Dhanisri,
Yes.
are you there?
Yes, sir.
Got understood this method?
Yes, I have understood.
Okay, very good. All right.
Sir, I did.
Okay. Just wait. All of you complete all the questions first. Not only your question, all the questions.
Sir and Mahavir, can I take the H question?
H is already given. You can do in the next exercise. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Completed all of you?
Yes, sir.
Shall we move on to solutions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, done. Srishti, are you ready?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 30 seconds actually.
Okay.
Sir, then you can ask from B.
Meanwhile, other persons also will do all the
Sir?
questions. I
I'm
thought-
ready, so we can go with
Sir?
B.
Yes.
Sir,
Yeah, Srishti, ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Wait,
Sir,
all of you. All of you,
Your
keep in mute
previous
condition.
Method, sir.
Yeah, what, Srishti?
Sir, I did with your previous method.
Okay, carry on.
Sir, 89 into 11 into 9. So,
Okay, that is a lengthy compared to this method. Okay, your wish, that is.
Sir,
Tell
actually,
me.
I found that doubt. That's why I didn't do that.
Okay. 88 into 11 into 9, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
So, 88.
Sir,
is
sir, it's
979.
89.
89. Okay, sorry.
So, we'll write.
Sir, it is 89.
Wait. I'll
Yes,
correct the
sir.
question. This is 89. Okay. Tell Srishti.
So, we'll write 8
Eight.
as it is, but
Okay.
8 plus 9 is 17. So, we'll write 9.
Okay.
And
Next.
then we'll write 7 and 9 as
This
it
is
is.
9, 7, and 9. Okay. Then we have to multiply with 9.
Yes, sir.
909 times is how much?
979.
No. 909 times is how much?
900 into 9, sir.
8100, right?
Sir, 8100.
8100. 79 times is how much?
Sir, I need to do that, sir.
Sir, 63.
70.
Sir,
7900. Yeah, 6300. 630 or 6300?
Sir, 630.
630 only. Yeah. 630 only, not 6300. 630. Later, 9 times is how much?
81, sir.
81. So then again,
The
8,
answer is
this is
8811.
811. Okay, right. That's the answer.
But it is a lengthy process, sir.
Yeah. I'll show that. Just wait. Yes, this is our solution in this method, right? Now see, Srishti, 89, one number less than 89 is?
89, sir, it's 88.
88. 9 minus 8 is how much?
9 minus 8, 1.
9 minus 8 again?
1.
That's all. That's the answer.
Oh, sir, I'll try that, sir.
Okay. Toshnika.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Our number is 82 into 99.
Yeah.
So the predecessor of 82 is 81
Very
into
good.
99.
Hmm.
Now you write 81 as it is. Yes. And now 9 minus 8 is 1.
Okay.
And 9 minus 1 is 8.
That's
So
all.
therefore our answer is 8118.
Correct. Ashwat.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 19's predecessor is 18, sir.
Okay.
9 minus 1 is 8, sir.
Okay.
9 minus 8 is 1, sir.
That's all.
1881 is the answer.
Very good. Correct. Then Ritvik.
Sir, 1 less than 45 is 44. 44, 9 minus 4 is 5. And 9 minus 4 is 5. So the answer will be 4455.
That's all. Very good.
Sir, it is
Shobhana.
very easy, sir. I took it.
Because yeah, both the digits are same means compulsory these two will be same.
The predecessor of 778 is
I think this is also easy.
Yes, sir.
777.
777.
Okay.
Sir, 9 predecessor. Sir, 9 minus 7 is equals to 3.
2.
So sorry, sir, 2.
2.
Sir, 9 subtract by 7 is equals to 2.
Okay.
So 9 minus 8 is equals to 1.
Where is 8? 7 again. 9 minus 7 is 2 again.
Yes, sir, 2.
Don't do it for given number. Do it for changed number.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I thought for 8.
Yeah. Advika, ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Carry on.
7,654 predecessor is 7,653.
Okay.
So 9 minus 7 is equals to 2.
Okay.
9 minus 6 is equals to 3.
Okay.
9 minus 5 is equals to 4. And 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. So our answer is
That's all.
2,000.
Okay. Okay. That's all. No need to read this number because this is bigger one. Okay. Right. Very good. Very good. Jaydeep.
Yes, sir. So the predecessor of 79 is 78, but there is one more 9 extra than the digit. So we should place one more 9 then
Okay.
after 79, which will become 789. And 9 minus 7 is 2 and 9 minus 8 is 1. So the answer is 78,921.
Very good. Excellent. Dhanyasri.
Yes, the predecessor of 124. Sir, have added one more 9.
Okay. First tell
As
this
a-
predecessor of 124.
123.
123. Okay. How many 9s are extra?
1.
So keep that 9 here, extra 9. Later,
Yes,
do the process for these 3 digits.
9 minus 1 is 8.
Okay.
9 minus 4 is 7.
Yeah, 7.
And 9 minus 3 is 6.
That's all. That's the answer. Okay. Right. Ritvik.
Yes, sir. Sir, first we have to take 8, 9, 8, 8, sir.
8, 9, 8, 8. Okay.
Yes, sir. After that, if we 8 minus 9 is 1. Again,
Wait. Here, how many digits are there?
Sir, 4, sir.
But how many 9s are there?
Sir, 5. So we have to add another 9.
Yeah, extra 9 here.
Yes, sir. So it will be, if we do 8 minus 8, it is 1. And then 9 minus 9 is 0, sir.
Okay.
And then 8 minus 8 is again 1.
9 minus 8. 9 minus 8.
Yes, sir. 9 minus 8 is 1.
Okay.
And then 8 minus 9 is also 1.
9 minus 8.
Yes, sir. 9 minus 8. And then it's 0, sir.
That's all. No. Don't put 0 here. This is already over. Don't take the same rule for this 9 also.
Okay, sir.
We have to take a given number minus 1. For that number only, we have to take this digit, 9 minus that digit.
Okay, sir.
Okay. That's all. This is the answer. Right. Then Sudisha.
Sir,
Tell me.
that is 47 into 99999, sir.
Okay.
So the predecessor I mean, sir, we have to add more 3 zeros for it, sir.
Okay.
Sir, if we add more 3 zeros, it's going to just, its value won't change, sir, but it will just be.
Value will not change, but the digits will change.
Yeah, sir. So the predecessor of the number is 46, sir. So 0, 0, 0, 4, 4, 6, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 9 minus 0 is 9.
Okay.
Sir, 9 minus 0 is 9.
Okay.
9 minus 0 is 9.
Okay.
Then, sir, 4.
9 minus 4.
Yes, sir. 9 minus 4 is 5.
Okay.
Sir, 6. 9 minus 6 is going to be 3.
That's all. That's the answer. So here we are reducing this extra step, keeping zeros and removing zeros. How? So just take the given number minus 1 here. Predecessor of 47 is 46. How many extra 9s are there? We can keep those 9s here and do the process for the number again. For 9 minus 4 is 5 and 9 minus 6 is 3. That's all.
Sir, must start with another exercise or we'll go to
But
another
sir,
one,
it's
sir?
9 minus 7, not 9 minus 6, right?
Yeah, sir,
No,
9 minus
not,
7. Sorry.
that point already mentioned. It is not 9 minus 7. It is not for the given number. It is after changing.
Yeah, sir.
It is for the predecessor of the number.
Predecessor of the number, not for the given number. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 9 minus 6 is 3. That's all. Don't do it for the given number.
Okay, sir.
Change
Sir,
your number.
Sir, let's do another exercise.
Sir, should we keep
Maybe I
any-
don't know. Is there any exercise or not? Okay. There is no special exercise. Okay. We'll do this.
What can we do in 4 minutes?
Sir,
Okay.
what is this, sir?
One question.
Sir,
Just let us count the number of digits and number of 9s first, because we should know. We
The
should
number of
confirm.
digits is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means 15 digits are there.
Sir, there are 15 9s.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 15 9s. Okay, easy, right?
Yes,
sir, I
sir.
will do, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, please, sir.
5, 1, 2, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 8,
Last digit we should keep 3 digits.
8, 8. Maybe it will not cover
Can
here.
I do, sir?
Sir,
Please.
can I please?
Sir,
Sir, can I, sir, please?
Let me do. 4,
9 minus 4,
8,
9 minus 5
7,
is 4.
5, 6, 3, 4, 2, 1, 0, 4, 5, 2, 1 and 1. That's all.
1 and 1, yes, sir.
So what are you doing?
This multiplication
Sir
is
is
over.
going on telling.
If you try this in your calculator, it will not show the complete answer for you.
So it will show like E plus 30 like that.
Yes. Some 5 and 2 and E power something, it will show like that. But here we are giving these many digits also. Okay.
No, that's right.
This is okay. Number of digits and number of 9s are equal. And we'll see this model.
Sir,
also.
can I do,
Wait,
sir?
wait,
Can I
wait,
do
wait,
this? Sir, can I do
wait. 1, 2, 3. So here the digits are 7. 1,
10.
3, 4, 5. Yeah, 10 digits are there. 7 digits are 10 9s. So first we'll do given number minus 1. 2, 5, 7, 6, 0, 1, 3.
3,
How
sir.
many nines
and,
are
and
extra?
9 number and 3.
3 nines are extra.
3 9s.
3 nines are extra. Then we can do the process. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4, 2, 3, 9,
9,
8,
8,
6. That's all.
Sir,
That's all. Up to this one only. Don't do it for these 3.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So these are the 2 types of questions, and I think we are moving to the next type. Third type.
Yes, sir.
What is the third type?
9, 5, 7.
Here the
Sir,
number of
what-
digits are
Sum
If
of
the
the
greater
number of digits is 4.
If the number of digits are greater than the 9s.
Yeah. Here, as it is a new model, just listen to me first. Okay. After understanding, you can do number of questions. Okay. Just listen to me first. Here, instead of explaining this method for this much bigger number, let us take one small number, like 87 into 9. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Can I write this question like 87 into 10 minus 1?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 10 times of 87 is how much?
Sir, 870.
870 and minus
1 time of 87 is?
Sir, 87.
869.
Then subtraction. Okay, then
Sir,
subtraction.
wait, sir. Sir, why you took again 87?
Sorry?
Sir, why you took again
Because
87?
minus 1.
Okay.
87 10 times minus 87 1 time.
Sir, means one value is 87.
87 10
writing
times
like
minus
this-
87 1 time. Yes
So
or
instead
no?
of writing like this, sir, also you can write it like 87, 10 minus 1. I mean, in brackets. Why do you have to put in the multiplication symbol in the middle? You don't need
Suppose
it, right?
see here, just see here, 2 into A minus B. If it
Yes,
is the case,
exactly. I
we
was
can
asking
do
about this, sir.
2A
Yeah.
minus 2B, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
It is
so
equal
why
to AB.
so why put this multiplication symbol in the middle? You can just take it off, right?
Yeah, we can take it off, but just to represent it as it is.
Okay.
Okay, this 9 I'm converting into 10 minus 1. So it may be there may be into, or there may not be into symbol. Result is same. Question is same. Okay, 87 10 times minus 87 1 time. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we are doing subtraction, general subtraction. See, actually it should be 8. 8 minus 0 8 because the next place is non and mismatch. Okay.
Mismatch,
So
sir.
because the next place is mismatch, we have to reduce 1. 8 will become 7, right?
And the
What is the complement of 8?
is 2.
Complement
The
of 8
complement
is
of
2.
8 is 2, so we should add that
Plus 7
to
is
7.
So the
9.
answer is
Again, the next
73.
place is mismatch. 9 will become 8. So what is the complement of 7?
Sir, 3.
3. 3
Sir,
plus
3.
0 is how much? 3. That's all. 783.
Sir, I get correct.
Yeah. Okay. This one already we have covered. Whoever new persons are there, this one we have covered in subtractions. See the previous videos
Yes, sir.
in our YouTube channel. Okay.
Yeah, sir. 10 minus 1 like that.
No, we have any. Sir, time is up.
Okay. Okay. We'll do this question and one more question later. We'll.
Sir, should we give the names?
So like I have a class now. So may I leave?
Yeah, you can. You can. Whoever want to leave, they can leave. We'll complete this model only.
Sir,
One
we
or
have 5:35 class, sir.
Okay,
We
thank
have
you.
more time.
Sir, I think so. Today for 6th class, there is no class.
Okay. Okay. Just listen to me.
Sir,
Here,
let
I'm
me-
telling in another way. See here. How many digits are extra? We can place those many zeros here. How many digits are extra? We can place directly those many zeros. 9, 5, 7, 8. How many digits are extra than 9s? 1 digit extra.
Sir, one.
That's why we are placing 1 0 simply.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I
Then
haven't
subtract the same number.
Sir, I haven't small
Sir, it
doubt.
will make it more worse, right, sir? Sir, like, sir, like now 857, sorry, 9578 is bigger than 999, right, sir? We need to.
Just wait. Just wait. I told it wrongly. Just wait. Wait, all of you. See, not it is number of zeros. Sorry, number of difference number. It is not difference number. Here, number of zeros should be number of equal to number of nines. Number of zeros should be equal to number of nines. Okay. See, 9, 5, 7, 8. How many nines are there?
Sir,
Sir,
3.
3.
3. Simply put 3 zeros. 3 zeros. Subtract the same number. 9, 5, 7, and 8. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's
Yeah,
correct.
nothing but it
Yes,
is
we go
1000
right
times minus
or
1 time, right?
Sir, I did not understood this. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1000
Sir, I
times means it
understood.
is we have to place 3 zeros. So then 1 time means we have to subtract the same number.
Okay, sir. I understood.
Okay, here we are doing in subtraction using general subtraction as well as that Niculum. Okay. Yeah, see. 9 as it is. Then 5 as it is. 7 it cannot be as it is because the next place is
Mismatch, sir.
7 will
Mismatch.
be.
So we should write 6, sir. And 8,
9's
9.
complement is.
Sir, 9 complement is 10 and minus 1 add to
9's
8.
complement is 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. But
9.
again the next place is mismatch. That's why
Mismatch, so 8, sir.
8 only.
8.
Then from here onwards we can use Niculum. 9 minus 5 is.
Sir, 9 minus 5
is
is 4.
And 10 minus 8 is 2.
Sir, 2, sir.
All
Sir,
from 9 and last from 10.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, no, I have one doubt not belonging to this. Sir, actually, today for 7th class, any class?
I don't know.
Sir, 7th class, like it's at 5:35.
Which class?
Manoj sir is taking for question Q&A for 5:35. Join Manoj sir class at 5:35.
Okay. Let us complete these 1 or 2 questions. I think this question, and we have one more question. With that, we'll wind up the session.
Sir, can I do?
Just see. 8, 2, 1, 4, 5, 3, 9. How many 9s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. Okay. Number of digits are more than number of 9s. Then we have to apply the same process. 6 9s are there. That's why we have to keep 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Now subtract the same number. So 8, 2, 1, 4,
4, 5, 3, 9.
5, 3, 9. Now use Niculum Sutra. I'm doing it from right to left or left to right. Anything is it is okay.
So we'll do from left to right.
Whatever
So
it may
we'll
be.
write. Sir,
We can do
Okay,
sir, we
left
can
to right,
do
I'm doing.
8,
Okay,
4, 5, 3 as it
8,
is, and
2,
9 minus 8, 1.
4, 5,
4, 5, 3.
3 as it is. Here
Then
9 minus 8 is 1 actually, but we have to keep
0,
0
sir.
because the next place is mismatched.
0.
From here onwards, we can use Niculum Sutra.
7, sir.
All
7.
from 9 and last from 10. Yes or no?
The answer will be
Yes, sir.
7,
9 minus 7
7,
is
8,
9
5,
7 is 8.
6,
9 minus 4
1.
is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6.
1,
And
sir.
then
lastly 10 minus 9 is 1. That's all. Okay. Compared to the previous 2 models, this is one extra, having one extra step. That's why I have separated this model. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah, number of digits are equal, it is okay, very easy. And number of digits less also, we can, by placing zeros we can make it easy. But the number of digits are more than number of 9s, we cannot make the number of digits and 9s equal, because if you place 1 9 here, so then problem will be changed, right? If you place 0 here, digits will be equal, but number of 9s and number of digits will not be equal. Okay, that's why we have to use this process only, right? And this
Yes,
is our
sir.
last question for this session.
Sir, may I do, sir, please?
2, 1. I'm doing. We together
2,
will
1,
do.
4, 5, 8
1,
into
4,
9,
5,
9.
8.
2, 1, 4,
3
5.
zeros.
Sir, we need to add 3 zeros.
Zeros and
Remember this point.
9,
Number
9,
of wait.
9.
Number of zeros. Number of zeros adding. Number of zeros adding should be equal to number of 9s. Okay. Number of zeros adding should be equal to number of 9s. Now subtract the same number from the
Sir, it will be
5. 2, 1, 4, 5, 8.
8. So
Sir,
we'll go from
2.
left to right. 2,
Yes, sir.
1,
2, 1, 4,
You can do
3,
it as your
7, sorry,
Sir,
3,
left, right, or right,
6,
left. It is okay.
5,
Sir, all from
4,
9 and the last
1.
from 10 will
Sorry,
work
2.
here, sir.
Yeah, everywhere you can
Sir,
apply.
can-
In this type of questions, everywhere you can apply. This is
Sir,
remember,
can
this
I
is
do
also one of the application for that Niculum Sutra. Okay, where it is applicable. Yeah, somebody asking something.
Sir, me, sir, can I tell the answer?
Sir, can I please?
Okay, we together will do 2, 1,
1,
4,
4, 3,
and it is
6,
yeah.
6,
Actually, it is 7, but the next place is mismatched. That's why 6 only.
Sir, we'll
6,
write
5,
9,
4,
9
5,
minus 4 is 5.
5,
9
4,
minus 5 is 4.
4,
10 minus 8
2.
is 2. That's That's
two.
Yes, sir.
Because it's actually like distributive property, like 21458 multiplied by 1000 minus 1.
Yes, we are doing that only. But we are escaping this extra step in these two
Extra
cases.
steps, sir.
In these two cases, we are escaping. Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Right. Okay. Bye.
Thank you for
Bye,
the
sir.
class, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Have a nice day, sir.
Right.
Good day. Bye.
Bye, sir.